Well, tonight we are following up on two separate investigations Harlingen PD is leading. Channel 5's Taylor Winkle with a possible link between one case and a missing Corpus Christi woman.
In one Harlingen PD investigation, a suspect is charged with murder. And in a separate case, investigators are working to identify human remains found this week. All along, a worried mother's been watching from Corpus Christi. She says she felt her heart sink, hoping those remains weren't her daughter's. September 12th, the day before her 32nd birthday.
She boarded the bus, bought a one-way ticket to Harlingen. And like I said, I know she got there. I know she got there with him. I ended up speaking to him. So he's the only person that knows where my daughter is or what happened to her.
Rosie Loetta says her daughter Ellen left Corpus Christi for Harlingen to visit her boyfriend, Anthony Elliff.
I know she got to Harlingen. I know she was with Tony Lee. And I spoke to him a couple of days after I could not reach her. And he told me he kept her belongings. He was the last person to see my daughter.
Rosie says she's been missing since.
Nobody just falls off the face of this earth with nobody seeing nothing or hearing nothing or knowing nothing. Someone had to have seen something.
Earlier this week, she heard the news of Elliff's arrest on murder charges. Shortly after that, she learned of another Harlingen investigation.
This tip came immediately after the press release was posted on the arrest of Anthony Elliff, who we did charge with homicide, murder.
Human remains found in this San Benito brush.
It is too early at this point. We don't want to jump to that speculation. The only tie that we have is that after the press release was posted, an anonymous tip did come in.
Rosie says she called Harlingen PD to follow up on that tip, hoping those remains weren't her daughter's. Commander Osborne tells Channel 5 a structure near the AEP property where the remains were found belongs to Elliff's relatives. Right now, it's too soon to speculate who the remains belong to and what happened. At this point, they haven't been sent to the crime lab for testing. Investigators don't know if they're male or female, and they weren't found with any identification or other clues, like jewelry or clothes.
There is somebody out there that has information, and I do not care to know their names. I do not care to know anything. If they've got something valuable, I don't care how small, how big, I don't even think it doesn't mean anything. It might mean something that will find my daughter.
Harlingen PD says they got a sample of Rosie's DNA to see if the remains are a match. In the meantime, she hopes new attention on her daughter's case will lead her to new answers. Harlingen PD tells us they'll send those remains to the crime lab next week, and depending on their caseload, it could take several months for those results to come back. Reporting in Harlingen, Taylor Winkle, Channel 5 News at 10.
Well, new details coming to light about the murder investigation surrounding Elliff. Elliff is charged with murder. He's accused of gunning down Guillermo Garcia. His body found inside a parked car, a gunshot to his chest nearly 1 week ago. Surveillance video reportedly capturing the moment shots were fired. Court records allege the two men recently involved in a physical confrontation.